All right, so if you open the file I included in the email, this ActivCast Connect Assist will open. This is for when you are having a hard time with the AirPlay not showing your room number. That has something to do with the whitelist, and it has to be cleared, and that's not something that any of us can do. That would be a Joan or Tim thing, and it would get kind of I guess, repetitive to keep asking them to clear that whitelist. So when I contacted tech support today, they shared this app with me, and I'm going to show you how to install it. So let's get started. Once you open it from my email, you're going to double-click the ActivCast Assist. It's going to say, are you sure you want to open it? It's from the internet. It is safe. It was directly from Promethean. And then I'm going to close the installer, and then up here in your toolbar you'll notice the ActivCast connection is here, and it wants to have access to control different documents, so go ahead and hit OK. Alright, so here's AirPlay and ActivCast. So you might have to click this a few times for your room to show up. Okay, so then if you click here, your room will appear. You're going to get this mirroring request, so go ahead and go to Security and Privacy, wait for this to pop up, hit OK, and then unlock using your computer's password. Hit unlock. And then you want to check this, which means basically just means that you're allowing them to control your computer. Click this, exit, exit, and you should be all set. You will notice it'll go to AirPlay, and that's okay. 9073, go.